Animal facts so strange you wouldn't believe they're true. Did you know the lyrebird can perfectly mimic chainsaws, camera shutters, car alarms, and even other birds? This is because lyrebirds have incredibly advanced vocal organs and memory, allowing them to copy almost any sound they hear. In the wild, they use these sounds to trick predators, attract mates, and mark their territory, making them one of nature's most astonishing impersonators. If you love discovering hidden facts about animals, hit like and subscribe, and wait till you see the creature that can survive in space.